Hello, my soul family. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to Kasturi Creation. I had uploaded our thoughts on this board making process. You can watch it through my channel. Today, I am excited to share some tips and ideas on making Bengali traditional things for Bengali New Year Nababarsha. Here is the kula decorated with the swastika symbol. Let's get started. I am coloring it with red acrylic. Yellow is generally considered as an auspicious color in our culture. I am making the swastika symbol with the molded clay strings. Swastika is associated with good fortune and well-being. We always used to make it during our puja karma. This symbol representing the eternal cycle of creation, preservation and destruction which associated with the dynamic energy of the sun. Nababarsha is deeply rooted in Bengali culture and traditions. The festival symbolizes the hope for prosperous and abundant year ahead. So, creating this swastika symbol is significantly meaningful for this festival. I am very passionate about crafting and doing DIY projects because it allows me to express my creativity and it helps me to get immense inner peace. These creative works always assist me to enhance my soul journey also. I enjoy bringing each season into our living space with handmade decorations and believe that with a little imagination, any home can look like $1,000,000 without spending it. Now, red and white color combination is deeply rooted to the Bengali tradition. White represents the purity and auspiciousness, and red symbolizes love, passion, and celebration. This harmonious blend of purity and vibrancy in lal pad saris makes Bengali women to hold high regard. Now I am making the alpana on the sitting arrangement which is called piri for goddess Lakshmi. I have made the Ashtadal Kamal in the middle of the chowki, which is also very significant. In Hinduism, the 8-petaled lotus representing purity, enlightenment, self-regeneration, cosmic harmony, and prosperity. It is also associated with goddess Lakshmi, who is depicted sitting on the 8-petaled lotus. I hope my content will bring joy, inspiration, and entertainment to others. Please subscribe to my channel, it will be very helpful for my creative journey. Hand fan, Hath Pakha, is a tangible representation of Bengali heritage. Without electricity in rural Bengal, people love to use the hand fan as it gives the cooling effect during the summer. The fans are often made from palm leaves or bamboo. Beyond cooling, they are used in various cultural and religious contexts like Durga Puja ceremonies, wedding rituals, and Bengali New Year celebration. I have used the red gamcha as the frill and the white thread, which are also taken from the Bengali tradition. This is the colors, worship as the mother goddess. I am changing the color code of the colors and restyling it with the alpana design to add more artistic appeal. Please comment below how you adore my restyled ideas. Thank you so much for your support and I'm incredibly grateful for the time and effort you took to view my content. There are much more left to do. I will upload next part very soon. Till then, bye bye. Enjoy your life to the fullest. Take care. Stay tuned. Namaste.